Hi, my friends, my early birds. How are you? I miss you guys very much, and I hope you're all doing fine and you're safe. I was outside today, and such a beautiful day. I was planting some flowers, and I hope you guys going outside every day and have some fresh air. So today, I have a book I'm going to read to you. It calls Underground. Let's see what creature lives underground. Low down. What do you see under the ground? There's a little rabbit. And way down, and underground, you see some carrots and the worms. And do you know those little white stuff? We call them grubs. And creatures dig in to get under the ground. Like this one, we call mole. And run around. Those are the ants running around. There's the nest, and there's some eggs. And past highways and byways. And squirm ways and warm ways. Do you see them? And dig in furrows and burrows. Do you see some eggs? This is the turtle eggs. It gets under the ground and keep their eggs under the ground. Round roots and bones. There's a bit. Can you see? And there's a dog. What is hiding? It's bones. And rocks and stones. There's the stones. And funneling and tunneling. Do you see some rabbits? They all get together and cuddle. They're all sleeping underground. Working their way through sand and clay. There, as you see the little boy running water on the ground. And way down. Sorry, low down and way down. And underground. Maybe you guys go outside and dig in under the dirt and see what you can find. I bet you see a lot of different creatures and different things. So maybe you go and do that. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I love you, and I miss you, and see you next time. Bye.